Hey y'all, it's Brandy with STA Farms and welcome back to our channel. So today is raking and baling. Aaron stopped on his way in from work yesterday evening and got the rake hooked up, and we've let it lay all night and it's up until mid-morning now. So hopefully when I get over here it's going to be cured enough that it's going to rake and bale. So just stay with us. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'd love to hear what you think. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks.
Hey guys, so today, as you've been seeing with our videos, we're in the process of hay. So I'm got the baler hooked up here to the tractor, and I'm going to start baling hay. This is some of the thickest hay that we've ever had, so it's probably going to take me a while. Hopefully we get it all done without any issues or problems. When it's this thick, it can be difficult to load or to feed up into the baler, but y'all hang with us and we'll see what we can get done.
so we got finished baling. We ended up with 50 full rows and a piece of a row. Our next few days is going to be focused on getting the hay out of the field and determining when we're going to cut the next field. So y'all come back and see our next videos.